Hi, it's KK again. Next, I'm going to show you how to create shopping lists as well as to share those shopping lists. So what you're seeing now is your main deal finder screen where you have all your different deals. And when you've identified a deal that you'd like to add to your shopping list, when you click on that specific deal, it'll give you a little bit more information about that deal, where this is where you'll find more information about the product itself, the size of the product, obviously the name of the brand itself, the size in terms of is it the deal type rather, is it a bulk deal, is it a single deal, or is it a combo deal. It'll also tell you the expiry date of that deal, as well as from which outlet that you can find that specific deal. And next, if you click on the image of that specific deal, you'll see the broadsheet from which we pulled that very specific deal. In order to close that screen, simply click on the cross over here and it'll simply take away that screen. And in order to add the specific deal to your shopping list, all you need to do is click on the shopping list over here. And what will happen next is another screen will pop up, and this is where you'll be able to create your shopping list. And when you do create a shopping list for the first time, it'll really be blank. There won't be any previously existing shopping lists. And this is where you'll get to name your shopping list for the first time. And when you do create your shopping list, we suggest that you name your lists according to outlets or the names of the outlets that you add deals to the list. And don't add deals from one outlet onto another outlet's shopping list. So that's just a recommendation that we give you. That way your shopping list will be a lot more cleaner. Next, what you want to do is to name the shopping list. And we always suggest and recommend that you use the name of the outlet, as I mentioned earlier, in order to name your shopping list. And once you've done that, simply click on add. What will happen is it will give you the next screen, which is where you get to select where you'd like to add that particular deal. And just like in the previous screen that you're seeing right here, once the deal is added to the list, you may change the quantity of that single deal, i.e. would you like to have one of those deals or 5 of those deals? That's really where you'd get to change that. And when you are done adding that specific deal to a shopping list, all you need to do is click on save, and that will save your shopping list. Next, once you've saved these deals to your shopping list and you've saved your shopping list, you can go back to the main navigation menu by clicking on those 3 lines that I mentioned earlier, right there at the top. That will open up the screen where you have multiple options. One of those options is obviously your shopping list. You will then click on my shopping lists. That will give you the different shopping lists. You just scroll up and down. This is where you'll see all the different shopping lists that you would have created. And here you'll get to either share your shopping list, to export your shopping list, to clear or even delete your shopping list, depending obviously on what you'd like to do next. And once you've created these shopping lists and maybe you want to export it or share it with somebody else, this is an example of a shopping list that you're seeing on the screen right now. And when you click on export list, if you'd like to export the list, you will see the options that you have. You can either export to Excel or export to PDF. And simply by clicking export to Excel, it'll take a few seconds and it'll generate that shopping list just like that. As mentioned, you also have the option to export to PDF. What you're seeing on the screen is exactly the same type of deal. It's just these are just different layouts of the deal based on whether they were created via Excel or PDF. What we have found is that phones work differently. So you may find that when you click on export to Excel or export to PDF, that you do get an error or a difference to what you're seeing on the screen. That is basically because phones work differently, and we have found that certain phones will either have Excel or PDF installed on the phones. In some cases it isn't. If that's the case and you quickly want to share your shopping list, simply use the share list option, which I'll show you next, or take the time to install Excel or PDF. And in some cases, you will have PDF or Excel installed on your phone, but it actually doesn't pop up. What you will then need to do is go to your File Explorer functionality, where you find all your files, your downloaded files, and you simply open that folder. That's where you'll find the deals. And when you click on your shopping list, and when you click on your shopping list, it will open up exactly what you're seeing on the screen. And as I mentioned previously, if you do need help with this, please do feel free to call us, which I'll show you the number again on the next couple of slides. And simply send us a message. We can call you back, or simply call us in either via WhatsApp number or via Facebook. So next, what you may want to do is to actually share your shopping list with either somebody else within your wholesaler or your spaza shop, or whatever the case may be, your supermarket perhaps. And so the option you have here, as I mentioned earlier, is you can click on share list. What that will allow you to do is to simply share the list, and what will happen next is it'll pop up this screen that has multiple options to help you share your shopping list. And you can either send them, depending on what you prefer. In the previous screen, I showed you how you can export to PDF or Excel. You can either, to share your shopping list with someone, you can either send them the Excel or PDF we exported earlier, or you can click share list, and this screen again will pop up, allowing you to either WhatsApp, SMS, email, or even Bluetooth your shopping list to somebody else. And once you click on one of the options, which is in this instance, I've clicked on WhatsApp, it'll automatically create a message that I can share or send to somebody else. And when that person receives the WhatsApp, this is what it'll look like. They just need to click on the link, and they'll be able to see shared shopping list. And this person who's seeing, with whom rather you've shared the shopping list, does not necessarily need to be a user on Gasi Search and Save. This is a screen that will pop up regardless of whether somebody has an account with Gasi Search and Save or not. Folks, I hope that this is all making sense. And again, you may want to share what's been exported to Excel or PDF. This is really as simple as that. Well, personally, I prefer sending someone the Excel and PDF because they too can easily share it with another person. But at the end of the day, you have different options, and it's your choice in terms of what you prefer. Folks, that's it from me, at least for now. I hope this video has helped you better understand how you can create shopping lists and share them with your colleagues, with your wholesalers and cash and carries from which you purchase. And I hope that it's helped you better understand how you can go about using Gasi Search and Save to save time and money as you grow your business. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to contact us via Facebook or WhatsApp using the details on the screen. Cheers.